Introduction to Android. Introduction of Android OS. Revolution in mobile experience. Open Handset Alliance. Android versions. Fact and figure about Android OS. Advantages. Disadvantages. Millions of people use Android because it's so powerful yet so easy to use. The home screen, applications, widgets all are simple to use right out of the box, but completely customizable. With Android, you can create a unique mobile experience that's just right for you. Android devices comes in all kinds of sizes, features and prices. Each version of Android is named after a dessert, and the most recent being the Android 4.4 KitKat, Android 5 Lollipop, Android 6 Nougat, Android 7 Marshmallow, Android 8 Oreo, and Android 9 Pie. Revolution in mobile experience. The open source and flexible nature of Android allows the developers and device manufacturers to modify the software according to their needs. As a result of this constant development and innovation, Android has been adapted to work on technological devices other than smartphones. Android applications also developed in Java and C++ language. One smartphone operating system that has truly revolutionized the whole idea of a mobile phone is Android. The first mobile phone to run on Android OS was HTC Dream. After the success of Android-based HTC, Dream, more and more smartphone manufacturers joined the Android project and the members of the Open Handset Alliance, OHA, increased. This resulted in Android becoming the most widely used smartphone OS in the market. Android was founded by a company named Android Incorporated in Palo Alto of California, US in 2003, whose founder was Andy Rubin. Android was then acquired by the Google in 2005 for $50 million and unveiled its distribution in 2007 with formation of Open Handset Alliance led by Google. Versions of Android. Android Beta 1.0. First version of Android. Heavy check mark. The focus of Android Beta is testing incorporating usability. Android Beta will generally have many more problems on speed and performance. Android 1.5 Cupcake. Copy and paste features in web browser. Specific date timestamp shown for events in call log, and one-touch access to a contact card from call log event auto-rotation option. New stock boot animation. Ability to upload videos to YouTube. Android 2.0 Eclair. Bluetooth 2.1 support. Ability to tap a contact's photo and select to call, SMS, or email the person. Ability to search all saved SMS and MMS messages, with delete oldest messages in a conversation automatically deleted when a defined limit is reached. Numerous new camera features, including flash support, digital zoom, scene mode, white balance, color effect and macro focus. Android 3.0 Honeycomb. New to pane email UI to make viewing and organizing messages more efficient, allowing users to select one or more messages. Hardware acceleration support for multi-core processors. Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich. Error correction on the keyboard. Ability to access applications directly from lock screen. Improved copy and paste functionality. Face unlock, that allows users to unlock handsets using facial recognition software. Automatic syncing of browser with users' Chrome. Android 5.0 Lollipop. Support for print previews. Material design, bringing a restyled user interface. Refreshed lock screen, no longer supporting widgets. Refreshed notification tray and quick settings pull down. Project Volta, for battery life improvements. Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Post-install runtime permission requests. USB-C support. Demo mode feature for screenshot capture usage. Automatic full data backup and restore for apps. 4K display mode for apps. Android 7.0 Nougat. Improvements to file browser. More quick settings options. Multi-window support, which supports floating apps on a desktop layout. New data saver mode, which can force apps to reduce bandwidth usage. Android 8.0 Oreo. 2 times faster boot time. Apps background execution and location limits. Google Play Protect. Integrated printing support. Color management, deep color and wide color gamut. Wi-Fi assistant. Android 9.0 Pie. Support for display cutouts, redesigned volume slider, battery percentage now shown in always on display. Lock screen security changes include the possible return of an improved NFC unlock. Fact and figure about Android OS. Android powers hundreds of millions of mobile devices in more than 190 countries around the world. Every day, more than 1 million new Android devices are activated worldwide. Android accounts for 85% of the worldwide smartphone OS market. As of July 2014, Android is launching all the versions in the alphabetical order. It's the largest install base of any mobile platform and growing fast. First time and start looking for apps, games, and other digital content. Android users download more than 1.5 billion apps and games from Google Play each month. Advantages. Times the ability for anyone to customize the Google Android platform. Times it has better app market, 180,000 application. Times with the support of many applications, the user can change the screen display. Disadvantages. Wasteful batteries, this is because the OS is a lot of process in the background causing the battery quickly drains. Sometimes slow device. Company issued an official version of Android your own. Very unstable and often hang or crash.